Hey guys, welcome back. So sorry for my voice, I've been pretty congested for the past week, but I was just tired of not filming, so bear with me. I just wanted to show you guys how I do a super quick look if I don't have a lot of time. This look literally took me like 8 minutes, so without further ado, if you want to see how I created it, please keep watching. So I had a little camera mishap and accidentally deleted the beginning of this video, so I'm just gonna let you guys know that I primed my face with Too Faced Hangover Primer and then did my brows right after. I have a little bit of brow clip, but I used Sistar Cosmetics Micro Brow Defining Pencil in Dark Chocolate. And then going in with some concealer, I'm just going to dot this. Going in with a concealer brush, I'm just going to spread that about because this is actually going to conceal my entire eyelid as well as shape my brow. I'm just going to take my blending sponge, then also taking this concealer and just concealing anywhere else that needs to be. By the way, I'm using the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Warm Beige. I'm just going to blend this out. And then I'm just going to set this using Smashbox's Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder in the shade 01. Taking this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A7 brush. And setting the lid as well. Then I'm just going to pop a little bit of liquid highlight on. This is my Marc Jacobs Do You Dewdrops. I'm just going to blend a little bit into the tops of my cheeks. Next, going in with some liner, I'm going to be going in with Sistar Cosmetics Ultra Black Gel Pot Liner. As you can see, I have used a lot of it. I absolutely love the consistency of this liner. And I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A28 eyeliner brush for this. I'm going to start with the wing. I'm not going to connect it all the way, I'm just going to connect it to the beginning of my lashes, right there. Then just going in with some mascara, I'm going to go in with Urban Decay's Perversion. And lastly, I'm going to go in with some lips. The thing that I love about just doing some simple eyeliners, you can do whatever lip color you want. You can put on lip balm. I've been a big fan of lip gloss recently, so I'm going to show you 3 different lip glosses from Sistar Cosmetics. They have 3 new lines, so I'm just going to show you one from each. There's a few other colors, but I just chose the ones that I like the best. So the first one is from the Star Is Born Super Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss, and this is in Meteor. Ooh, that one's really pretty. Next up is their Starry Galaxy line, and this is in the shade Gemini. And this last one I'm really excited for because they're lip filler line. So it's a plumping lip gloss. And this is in the shade Manila. And it's the Kiss Me lip filler. And this is the final look. But yeah, for me, these are the essentials. I mean, the eyeliner is not really essential. You can just do lashes and no liner. So having good brows, good lashes, and good looking lips, I feel like that's important. So that's why I chose those. Liner is just my go-to because I got big bulgy eyes, and for some reason liner just makes me feel better. But yeah, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Hopefully you have a great day or night wherever you are, and I hope to see you in my next video.